In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove background from signature in Word. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now I have my signature right here. So what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up Word right now. And then all you're going to do is open up an existing project or a blank document. From here, go over to Insert, then go to Pictures, then choose this device right here. And then just go ahead and find your signature. So I'm going to find mine right now. And as you can see, I've just got the image. Now all I want to do is click the small layout options icon that pops up right next to the edge, which is going to be this option right here. Then change the text lapping layout to select the in front of text option. So we're just going to go ahead and try and find that option. So, there's going to be a lot of them, but if you just go over to this one right here, it's going to say in front of text. And then when you go ahead and do that, switching it to in front of text breaks the image out of the restrictive text alignment grids, allowing you to drag it freely right over your document's signing line. Now what you want to do is click directly on your signature image asset to highlight it, and this is going to unlock a hidden menu bar at the very top of the screen called Picture Format, so go ahead and click on that. Then move over to the left hand side of the toolbar ribbon and click on the color drop down adjustments area, like so. And then you're going to see a lot of different options right here. So what you want to go ahead and do is once you find it, look down near the bottom of the drop down options menu and click on set transparent color. Your mouse cursor will instantly transform into a tiny like rectangle, and then you just got to do that, and then it's going to remove the background. I used an AI generated image for the signature, but when you go ahead and do that, you'll be good to go. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.